Morning, YouTube. Well, I'm in the Olympic National Forest, and I'm at the National Fish Hatchery located therein. So I figured, why not? Let's take a look at a fish hatchery. At least I'm at the visitor center. Let's see if anybody's home. I find it interesting of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's choice of fungus. Okay, so at this particular fish hatchery, they raise chum, coho, and steelhead salmon. Steelhead used to be considered a trout, but they've decided that it's way more closely related to salmon. So apparently I have arrived at the perfect time of year to not see anything. All the tanks are empty and looks like they've been cleaning them. So I'm guessing they have already released the smolts out into the wild where they will enjoy them. Well, see, now the fish hatchery was a washout. I'm going to check out the world's largest Sitka spruce. Probably still there. But look at the size of this stump. Amazing the size of the trees they grow up here. That is one big tree. Okay, so this world's largest spruce tree is 58 feet 11 inches in circumference. I don't know if that's at breast height, but it's 191 feet tall, and it's about 1,000 years old. And it's one of the 6 champion trees up here in the Quinault Valley. But they get about 12 feet of rain in a year, so not surprising that they grow some big trees. Wow. What I'd call safe logging practices there, guys. Dropping them into the road. Well, YouTube, after the fish hatchery was a bust and I saw the giant tree, I continued down the road here. I am still in the Olympic Forest, National Forest. I've taken Forest Road 21 to this nice little site here. So I can definitely tell I'm in a rainforest. I got here 2 nights ago. It was drizzly rain all day when I was like got lucky. It was raining at the fish hatchery. It was not at the tree. But Yesterday was on again, off again. Most of the day it was drizzly. This morning there was a nice downpour, but hey, it's the rainforest in Washington State. That's part of what I came to see. So looks like the sun's going away again. My solar's pretty much keeping up. When the sun comes out, man, it was cranking out like 17 amps. Most of the time, even when it's cloudy, although that looks a little gray back there, it's been bringing in a couple amps and charging the batteries up. So it's maintaining, which is all I ask. So see you later, YouTube. I think tomorrow morning I'm going to head down to the coast and see what it looks like down that way, and then we'll get back up farther along. I'm headed up about as far northwest as I can get in the country. So it was sunny out and I was getting 16 amps about 2 minutes ago, and then all of a sudden it started to come down again. Yay, rainforest!